Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture of Srimati Shantaben Haribhai Gajera English Medium School, Amreli. So today we are going to learn about sound of animal and animals homes of class 2. So first topic, sound of animals. We can know there are lots of animals and every animals have different sound. So today we are going to learn the different animals have different sound. You can see in the picture there are different animals and the sound of animals is given below or beside the picture. You can see that cat, sound of cat is meow. Then sound of cow is moo. Sound of dog is bark. Then sound of duck is quack. Then sound of goat is ba. So in picture you can see that different animals and the different sounds. And another one, we learn another sound of animal is birds. Birds, sound of birds is screech. Sound of birds is screech. Then sound of bees. Sound of bee is or buzz. Then sound of birds. Sound of birds is there are different birds. Some birds, sound of some birds is tweet, twitter, cheep, sing, whistle, etc. Then sound of camel. Sound of camel is grunt. And also sound of pig is grunt. Sound of animal and sound of pig is called grunt. Next one, cats. Sound of cats is meow. Sound of cats is meow. Then cattle. Sound of cattle is moo. Sound of cattle is moo. Then sound of cooks. Sound of cooks is crow. Sound of cooks is crow. Then chickens. Sound of chickens is cluck. Sound of chickens is cluck. Then sound of cows moo. Then sound of crickets. Sound of crickets cheep. Sound of cricket cheep. Then deers. Sound of deers is bell. Sound of deer is called bell. Then sound of dog. Sound of dog is called bark. Sound of dog is called bark. Then sound of dolphins. Sound of dolphins is called click. Sound of dolphins is called click. Then sound of donkey. Sound of donkeys is bray. Sound of donkey is bray. Then doves. Sound of doves is coo. Sound of dove is coo. Then sound of ducks. Sound of ducks is quack. Sound of ducks is quack. Then sound of elephants is trumpet. Sound of elephant is trumpet. Then sound of lion is roar. Sound of lion is roar. Then sound of flies. Sound of flies is buzz. Sound of fly is buzz. Then sound of fox. Sound of fox is bark. Then sound of frogs. Sound of frogs is called croak. Sound of frogs is called croak. Then sound of giraffes is bleat. Sound of giraffe is bleat. And also sound of goats is bleat. Then sound of geese is quack. Sound of bees is quack. So here we are learn lots of animals and their different sound. Then next, animals homes. I know you all are studying that animals homes in standard 1. So okay, here we are going to learn next, repeat it. We are going to learn different animals and their different homes. So here in picture you can see that there are different 6 animals and their homes, like sheep and lambs. So first of all, we are know that different animals are lives in a different home, and some animals lives in jungle, someone lives in water. So there here we will learn about the homes of animals. We know some animals lives on land, like lion, tiger, bear, kangaroo, etc. Then some animals lives on tree, like monkey, squirrel, etc. Some animal lives in water. Some animal lives in water, like fish, octopus, whale, etc. Some animal lives on land. Whale is in water, like crocodile, tortoise, frog, etc. So, like us, all animals need shelter to live in. A shelter protects them from heat, cold, rain, and enemies. Their shelters are their homes. Different animals live in different kinds of homes. Some animals make their home own. Here, sheep and lamb. Sheep and lamb lives in cattle shed. Then next one, horse and foal. Horse and foal lives in stable. Then goat and kid. The young one of goat is kid. They are lives in cattle shed. They are also live in cattle shed. Then kangaroo lives in a cave. Cow lives in cow shed. Then zebra lives in bushes. And here some more animals and their house is given. So we can see it in a picture that lion lives in den, elephant lives in jungle. Then monkey lives in trees. Then bear lives in caves. Pig lives in a stay. Fox lives in a den. Tiger lives in a den. Deer lives in a den. Rabbit lives in a burrow. So here different animal and their different homes. We can discuss another animals or birds and their homes. Birds lives. Home of birds is nest. Home of cat is cage. Then home of chimpanzee is tree. Home of camel. Where is home of camel? Home of camel is a desert. Then home of bear is den. Home of elephant is jungle. Then home of fish. Home of fish is water. Home of fish is in water. Then hen. Home of hen is cook. Home of hippopotamus is at river bank. Then home of bee is beehive. Lion. Home of lion is den. Home of monkey is tree. Then duck. Home of duck is water. Home of duck is in water. Then rat or mouse. Home of mouse is hole. Then shark lives in sea, or we can say that shark lives in water. Next one, wolf. Home of wolf is in den. Yak lives in hills or in mountain areas. Dog. Home of dog is canal. Home of dog is canal. Then ants lives in a hill. Cow. Home of cow is cow shed. Then home of horses is stable. This was information about some animals' houses, which was very important. There are some dangerous animals that lives in a jungle. So today we are learn loads of sound of animals and loads of house or shelters of animals. I hope you all are understood it very easily, and thank you everyone. Have a nice day.